Buckle up, folks. We've got Tesla on Tesla violations, instant justice, falling meteorites, and a whole lot more coming your way in today's episode of
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
This subscriber sent us his Teslacam footage after being involved in a collision with a Mazda, and less than a month after repairs were completed, his Tesla was involved in another one. He was getting ready to transition from one interstate highway to another when the driver of a white Tesla ahead of him changed lanes. Evidently, the other Tesla driver had been watching our subscriber's Model 3 in his side mirror and failed to notice traffic ahead coming to a stop until the last second. When he slammed on his brakes, our subscriber was forced to do the same, but it wasn't enough. He rear-ended the white Tesla before being rear-ended himself by a Honda CR-V. When the California Highway Patrol responded to the scene, our subscriber showed a trooper his Teslacam footage. The trooper concluded that the other Tesla driver was responsible for the collision because of his unsafe lane change. Our subscriber made an insurance claim and included the CHP collision report. They immediately agreed that the driver of the white Tesla was at fault, but they also found the Honda driver responsible for rear-ending him. Caleb was driving his Model 3 when he noticed a Nissan Altima driving with its hazard lights on. Instead of merging, the driver decided to go around another vehicle on the shoulder, a decision he would quickly come to regret. The Altima driver cut back across 2 lanes before causing a 3-vehicle pileup when he slammed into traffic stopped at a red light. Caleb pulled up next to the Nissan driver and asked if he was okay. He told Caleb another driver had cut him off, causing the collision. But Caleb's Teslacam footage clearly proves that's not what happened at all. JT3 slowed down as he approached a red light in his Model 3. But watch what happened just as the traffic light turned green. A red Ford F-150 approaching from behind left its lane before colliding head-on with the driver waiting in the left turn lane. The two newly merged vehicles narrowly missed colliding with JT3's Tesla before he pulled into a parking lot. He told us he was able to see both drivers exit their vehicles unharmed before he continued on his way. Thomas had parked his Model Y on the streets of Montreal while visiting family when a Honda driver couldn't help himself and crashed into the Tesla before fleeing the scene. It sure seems like the Honda driver had engaged auto Honda bump mode or something, because it seemed to head straight for the Tesla. Police responded to make a hit-and-run report after Thomas and his family discovered it the next day, damaged and no longer parked straight. They took these photos of the aftermath. His insurance provider is paying for the repairs, which are scheduled to take place at a Tesla collision center in mid-July. Thrill Ride was driving his Model 3 through Milwaukee when he noticed traffic ahead slowing down just as a gray Toyota sped past him on the right. When the Toyota driver realized he was running out of road, he slammed on the brakes, but this caused a total loss of control as his car spun completely around. The Toyota ended up facing the wrong way on the highway, and Thrill Ride noted it was a good thing for him that it wasn't a Honda. Thankfully, no collisions occurred before everyone was able to continue. Hold up. Voiceover, the dashcam brand we've trusted and recommended for years, is running a sale for Amazon Prime Day from June 23rd through the 26th, with some of their best deals ever on 2 of our favorite dashcams. These are the specific models we use in our own cars every day. I have the A229 Pro in my Model 3, and Max has the A119M Pro in his. My A229 Pro is an absolute beast, recording crisp 4K video in the front and 2K in the rear, so I can always see what happened both in front of and behind my car with incredible clarity. It's powered by Sony's Starvis 2 sensors, so it has no problem handling night driving, bright sun, and glare better than most other dashcams. During Prime Day, the A229 Pro is only $219.99. That's 33% off. If you're a minimalist, Max is a big fan of the A119M Pro. It has a single front-facing 4K camera with incredible image quality, and for Prime Day, it's only $132.98. Voiceover told us that's the biggest discount they've ever offered. Both models include GPS logging as well as Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can copy footage to your phone in seconds without having to pull out the memory card. We've put links to both Prime Day deals in the description, but these prices are only available June 23rd through the 26th, so don't wait. Grab one while you can. If you're still on the fence, let's take a look at a few more reasons why having a dashcam is a good idea. Joey was eating some tacos in his Tesla when he suddenly heard tires screeching before looking up to see a vehicle collision. Joey said the driver of a Hyundai Santa Fe was being chased by security employees after robbing a store, but he clearly didn't make a very clean getaway. When Joey approached the driver to see if anyone needed help, he smelled a strong odor of alcohol. Since the Hyundai driver was asking Joey not to call 911, he immediately called 911. Thankfully, nobody was injured in the collision, and the police quickly responded to arrest the driver of the Hyundai. Charlie was on his way from a friend's house and was going about 35 miles per hour when a BYD driver cut across 2 lanes before nearly smashing into the front of his Model Y. Charlie pulled over to check for damage as soon as he had a safe opportunity, but the BYD driver kept right on going, hopefully on his way to take his next driving class, Introduction to Side Mirrors. Tyler had left his Model S parked when its Teslacams captured a vehicle collision. The driver of a gray Nissan, one of Tyler's classmates, pulled onto the street without checking for traffic before being clipped by a passing SUV. The impact sent the SUV out of control before it crashed into a gray van which belonged to one of Tyler's friends. The driver of the Nissan told the police that the red SUV had been speeding when the collision occurred, but Tyler gave his Teslacam footage to his friend and he was able to pass it along to the cops. This subscriber experienced his first road rage incident while on his way to the supercharger in St. Joseph, Missouri in his Model S. As he approached a construction area with a reduced speed limit, an SUV driver flew past him and other traffic. Our subscriber estimates it was traveling at around 115 miles per hour as he flashed his high beams, and the SUV driver flashed his brake lights in response. After the construction zone ended, our subscriber returned to the normal speed before catching up to the SUV driver, who seemed to have slowed down for whatever reason. As our subscriber passed, the SUV driver sped up to match his speed. Our subscriber hit the juice pedal to put some distance between them so he could merge back into the travel lane. When our subscriber looked in his rearview mirror, he saw headlights, so he assumed he was far ahead of the SUV and that it was safe to change lanes. He didn't realize until later that the SUV driver had actually stayed in his blind spot. The SUV driver then accelerated hard, passing our subscriber on the right even though he was already in the middle of changing lanes. 5 miles later, the SUV driver took an exit before stopping on an overpass and turning on his hazard lamps. Our subscriber could see him exit his vehicle before opening his rear hatch. Our subscriber continued down the highway before hearing a loud crack as something impacted the top of his Model S. When he reached the supercharger, he checked for any damage, but he didn't see anything obvious. It wasn't until the next morning that he discovered a dent in his rear hatch. When he measured the angle of the impact, he confirmed that it had to have been caused by an object thrown from the overpass. Anand normally drives a Model 3 Performance, but he was given a Cybertruck as a loaner while his Model 3 was being serviced. When the traffic light turned green, he knew his lane would be ending soon, so he accelerated to get ahead of a Ford pickup in the left lane. The Ford driver, triggered by the clearly superior acceleration of the Cybertruck, tried desperately to catch up and prevent Anand's merge. So Anand lightly pressed the juice pedal enough to maintain a safe gap. This only further hurt the Ford driver's feelings, and he ended up using the center turn lane to pass Anand illegally, giving his Teslacam a great view of the company logo on the side. Creative Stoneworks LLC in Novi, Michigan. Classy. Gary was on his way home after picking up some medication at a pharmacy when the white pickup ahead of him lost a cardboard box. The box flew into the air before slamming into the road surface, exploding into fragments of debris right in front of a sedan. Thankfully, the driver was paying attention and was able to swerve out of the way. Other drivers following behind were similarly observant, which is a good thing because the driver of the pickup slammed hard on his brakes before practically leaping out of his door on the active highway. Scott and his wife were on their way back from visiting their son in Myrtle Beach when they noticed an oncoming driver flash their headlights. They assumed the other driver was warning them about a speed trap, but not long after, they found a pickup truck blocking their lane with its hazard lights on, and a huge bale of hay on the road next to it. Scott and his wife quickly stopped and ran to help the pickup driver roll the bale of hay off the road so traffic flow could resume. This subscriber was driving down an Oregon highway in his Model Y when a Subaru driver suddenly crossed two solid white lines to get around other traffic, nearly colliding with our subscriber's Tesla in the process. Thankfully, our subscriber was able to swerve to avoid the Subaru after it cut across multiple lanes and directly into his path. No contact was made, but the terrifying close call did appear to have some impact. The Subaru driver seemed to calm down after having some sense knocked into them. Waggytron was waiting to get his groceries in the designated pickup area when an employee lost one of her baskets in the high wind, which caused a slight dent in the bumper of his Model 3. A few minutes later, after getting his groceries, his Teslacam captured a cart corral loaded with carts being pushed across the parking lot. This is a whole new level of cart demon action. He made a complaint with the store about the flying basket, but after considering how small the damage was, he chose not to get their insurance involved. Sam was driving through a construction zone with a semi-truck blocking his view of the road ahead. Suddenly, a pickup driver trying to back a trailer into the median ran over a construction barrel, crushing it before sending it into Sam's lane. Thankfully, he was able to swerve around it to avoid any damage. But this is a great example of why you should always pay attention to the road ahead. Alex was on his way to Cirque du Soleil with his family when they got front row seats to a show that was out of this world. Well, kind of. Alex and his daughter Charlotte both spotted a bright flash as a meteor streaked across the daytime sky. In case you were wondering, and we all know you weren't, a meteoroid is a chunk of rock in space. A meteor is that same chunk of rock falling through our atmosphere, and a meteorite is what's left when it hits the ground. Cool, huh? Now you've got an awesome fact to share at parties that will make you super popular. You're welcome. Kevin was headed toward an intersection with full self-driving engaged when he looked down for just a moment. Suddenly, FSD swerved to the right, and Kevin had no idea why at the time. When his girlfriend told him they'd nearly been struck head-on, he reviewed his Teslacam footage to see it for himself. Sure enough, another Tesla, apparently not using FSD, had crossed into his lane before his own car had dodged its frontal attack. Phew! Stuart had parked his Model 3 while shopping one windy day. When he returned to his car, his heart dropped when he discovered a dent on one of the rear doors of his Tesla. When he reviewed his Sentry mode footage, he watched a vehicle pull halfway into the adjacent parking space before the driver exited to move a tree branch that the wind had blown into the space. With the branch moved, she returned to her vehicle and finished parking before opening her door right into the side of Stuart's Tesla. When she realized what had happened, she got back in her car and drove away. Stuart reported the collision to the police, and they were able to identify the driver. Her insurance provider paid $2,000 to repair the damage. Sean's Model Y was parked in his driveway overnight before he woke up to find two of his tires completely flat. When he checked his Sentry mode footage, he discovered that a pedestrian had donned a mask before puncturing both tires. If that wasn't bad enough, a week and a half later, the same guy came back and did it again. The first time, Sean's was the only vehicle affected. The second time, a neighbor's Toyota RAV4 was also targeted. Nobody seems to know why these two vehicles were vandalized. Sean has reported both incidents to the police, but they haven't been able to identify this criminal. If you have any information, reach out to us so we can pass it along to the authorities. Let's stop this from happening to Sean or anyone else. Yojo was driving in New Hampshire when a pickup truck cut in front of him before speeding off just minutes before getting pulled over by a cop coming the opposite direction. Yojo was likely spared from a speeding ticket himself since he let the pickup driver go on ahead of him in an area he said is notorious for police presence. Good thinking, I suppose. This episode was okay, I guess, but if you want to see some really crazy Teslacam videos, you got to check out this video. You won't be disappointed.